Hey, it's Brent here from First Moves Marketing with a new opportunity to get your online business ahead of the curve in terms of building your audience and making meaningful sales. This, of course, if the opportunity is right for you. So, today's opportunity might be for you if you're trying to build leads inside of Facebook groups. So, I want to show you a couple strategies that you can use here, and one in particular that you can use where you don't come across as being pushy, but has the benefit of being able to follow up with the person. So to do that, let's go into screen share mode just to see how this works. Here we are on screen share. Blocked a few things out here. Just don't want to get sued. Still might get sued, but hopefully not. So anyway, Charlene had a question here in the Facebook group, and she has a product for sale, and she has one person on her email list, and she's trying to drive traffic to her sales page, but not having a lot of luck. So we're going to go to Harris's response here. And Harris says here, you know what? Maybe I could be of service. And he shares his link. Not a bad strategy, kind of a call to action. The trouble is he's in a Facebook group, and a lot of these Facebook groups, including this one, don't want you sharing direct links. So, although Harris is being helpful here, there's a chance he might get kicked out of this group. So let's just scroll down to another option here. And what I say, it's a great thing that she has a product, and it is, because most people don't have that. Now she just needs to market with the blog posts and videos that she has in mind. Then I go on to kind of other stuff here, but we'll ignore that. Because I want to get to the important line here, and it's this one here. Let's go. If you think it would benefit you. I'll explain why that's important in a second. And then I outline on my Facebook page that I have a training on to better understand our audience. And then I ask if she'd be interested. We can connect. So let me go back to that first sentence there and explain why this one's so important. So if you think it would benefit you, I use this a lot of time in my marketing when I'm kind of new to the person, because I want to put them in charge of making the decision that it would be a benefit to them. I'm not pushing out my link or where they can find me. I'm just saying if it would be benefit to you. So let them make that decision first. It works really well just because it's genuine. And then after you do that, then you can explain what it is. Again, I'm talking about this training that I did to better understand audience's needs. And then I just ask her if she wants to connect with me, if she's interested. So let's just go to the next thing that happened in this sequence. And I got to go to a different screen share. Here we are. Hang on. Okay, here we go. So here's what happened. So Charlene connected with me through Facebook Messenger, said, thanks for commenting. I'd like to learn more. And then I'm able to share the link to my training. Oh, there it is. There's the training. Give her the link. And she says, thank you. I will check it out. So this has two benefits to it. One is that I won't get kicked out of that Facebook group because I didn't share a link. That's always good. The other thing is, now that I'm connected with Charlene through Messenger, not that I'm going to spam her or anything, but I might check back in a few days just to see how she's making out and see if the training was of any value. She might get back to me, she might not, but at least I have that connection now. Now, one thing to keep in mind, you don't want to do this too much within a Facebook group because you got to use your personal profile. And Facebook doesn't want you using your personal profile for business uses, which is kind of what I'm doing here. But I think if you don't use it too often, you should be okay. I hope. I haven't been affected with it yet, so you can take that as you wish. But anyway, as you can see, that's a little better than sharing a link. And the problem with the link too is you might get kicked out of the Facebook group. Plus, how do you even know if the person clicked on the link? You really don't have a really great way to follow up. And with this technique, you do. So the big question is, do you think this approach to lead generation within a Facebook group would be of benefit to your business? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you were wondering about this training that I shared and think it would be of benefit to you, then I'll share that link in the comments below as well. Thanks for watching. Cheers.